Elevate your Canva designs beyond boring, straight text. With a simple trick, you can bend and shape words to add visual flair and dynamism using Canva's text tools. Whether you want subtle, curving text as an accent or swooping, show-stopping titles that wow, it's totally customizable to your needs. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to curve text in Canva. To work in an existing design, navigate to and open the file in the Canva workspace. To create a new design, click the Create a Design button at the top right corner of Canva. Use the search tool or browse the templates to select a design layout such as social media post, invitation, presentation slide, etc. For this example, we will prepare a Facebook cover design. After choosing your template, a blank canvas will appear for you to input content and customize as needed. On the left navigation bar, templates are divided by layout type. Choose a cover template to apply initial size and layout structure before adding other elements. On the left toolbar, click the text icon to open available typography options. Canva Pro subscribers can upload custom fonts by clicking Upload a Font at the bottom of the text panel. Non-pro users can choose from numerous standard fonts in the list. Select your preferred font style and visually customize the text including size, color, alignment, etc. Click within the design canvas to insert a text box, then type your content. The styling options on the right sidebar will apply to the text object. Resize, rearrange, or modify the text as needed. Add additional text boxes following the same process. To curve existing text, after typing or inserting text, the selected text box will display a purple bounding border with resize handles. Verify the correct text is chosen. In the top right corner, click the Effects icon to open available styling options. This will reveal the Effects panel on the left toolbar. Scroll down and locate the Curve tool under the Shape Effects category. Click the Curve button. Handles will then allow you to interactively adjust the text bend and curve degree by dragging. Reshape the text arc, more or less dramatically based on placement of these handles around the text box. Once the curve effect is activated on the text element, a slider control appears below to incrementally adjust curvature intensity and direction. Sliding left applies an upward arc, while sliding right curves text downwards. Manipulate the slider gradually to allow precision when shaping the text to the preferred angle and bend severity. The text transforms dynamically on the canvas in response to releasing the slider handle at each position. Monitor the impact on the design in real time when moving the slider to achieve the ideal aesthetic curve to the chosen text. After curving, further refine text as needed. Curvature may compress lettering and lines together. Open spacing settings by clicking the selected text. Adjust letter spacing and line spacing sliders respectively to distribute letters within words and multiple lines appropriately. Widening spacing will expand the text's arc dimensions. Condensing it will tighten the bend radius. Customize intensity for desired effect. The text remains fully editable, so font, color, positioning, and content can still be modified post-curving. Feel free to append additional straight or curved text as required by the project scope. With these steps, the design with customizable dimensions is prepared for you to add curved text or any other content